Welcome to 59 Regina Avenue. Now this 3-bedroom rancher has been in the family for 70 years and has been meticulously maintained throughout then. This home also comes on a nice level lot and a detached 2-car garage.
This home is in a family-focused central neighborhood with high walkability and bike access. You are conveniently located near Uptown Shopping Centre and Mayfair Mall, as well as both highway access points, while still being in a community-focused area on a road with no through access.